Good morning students. Welcome back to Max online class. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and safe by God's grace. Students, have you all completed your homework? Are you learning everyday's portion? Okay students, you have to learn everyday's portion, then only easy to understand. Okay? Students, in the previous class, what did you learn students? Some special cases of function. Okay. Now I am going to explain composition of function. Okay. Now I am going to explain composition of functions. Composition of function. Let f from a to b and g from b to c be two functions. Two functions, f from a to b and g from b to c. Then the composition of f and g. The composition of f and g is denoted by g composite f. You have to read g composite f. Okay, is defined as the function g composite f of x. Okay, this notation is composition. Okay, g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. G of f of x for all x belongs to a. Okay, every x belongs to a, set A. Clear? Let f from a to b and g from b to c be two functions. Two functions we are taking. Then the composition of f and g is denoted by g composite f. Is defined as the function g composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. Now one function I am taking, that a is x. Okay, a belongs to x belongs to a. Next f of x belongs to b. Next then f composite g composite f of x is equal to this, from x belongs to x to here. Okay, g composite f of x, here f of x, here g of x. Okay, from a to c when we are taking, that is g composite f of x. Okay, a to b means f of x, b to c means g of x. Next a to c is g composite f of x. Okay, generally this g composite f is not equal to f composite g. F composite g is not equal to g composite f for any two functions f and g. So composition of function is not commutative. Composition of function is not commutative. Sometimes it will be equal. Okay, f composite g, generally it is not equal. Sometimes some problem it will be equal. F composite g generally not equal to g composite f, but sometimes it will be equal. Okay students, now I am going to explain example 1.19. Find f composite g and g composite f when f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, g of x is equal to x square minus 2. Here given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Next g of x is equal to x square minus 2. What we have to find out? F composite g and g composite f. Listen carefully, then only you can understand easily. Okay, listen carefully. First f composite g want to find out. F composite g of the function is x, about x. So we are writing x. F composite g of x is equal to formula f of g of x. Okay, f composite in place, we can put of into f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. F composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. First, we have to substitute the value of g of x. G of x value is what? X square minus 2. X square minus 2 you want to substitute here. So, f of x square minus 2. Listen carefully. First, f of g of x in place. Want to substitute this value, okay? You have to replace in place of g of x square minus 2. Clear? Now, listen. F of x is equal to what? 2x plus 1. Okay? Here f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. F of x square minus 2 means here this fully. Here x in place. Here x in place we have to replace x square minus 2. F of x means 2x plus 1, is it? Next, f of x square minus 2 means 2 into x square minus 2 plus 1. Okay, f of x means 2x plus 1. F of x square minus 2 means 2 into x in place. What we have to substitute? X square minus 2 plus 1. Have you understand this? Okay. F of x means 2x plus 1. F of x square minus 2 means 2 into x square minus 2 plus 1. Substitute the value inside. 2x square minus 4. 2x square minus 4. Here plus 1. Okay, 2 is common for these two terms only. So, we have to multiply with x square minus 2 into 2. 2x square minus 4. This plus 1 you have to write it. It is equal to 2x square minus 3. It's equal to 2x square minus 3. Clear? Clear, students? First, f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. G of x in place, we have to substitute the value of g of x. Next, now f of x square minus 2. F of x means 2x plus 1. Here x in place we have to replace x square minus 2. So 2 into x square minus 2 plus 1. 2 multiply inside 2x square minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 2x square. Minus 4 plus 1 means minus 3. Clear, students? Now I am going to explain G composite F. Okay, F composite G we have find out. Now we have to find out G composite F of x. Is equal to G of, here of, we have to put G of F of x. G of F of x. What is G of F of x? Students, what is G of F of x? It's equal to, here f of x in place, what we have to substitute? F of x in place, 2x plus 1 we have to substitute. Okay, in place of f of x we have to replace 2x plus 1. So G of 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Clear, students? Any doubt? Okay. Now G of x means, what is the value of G of x? X square minus 2. Here x in place you have to replace 2x plus 1. Okay, x in place 2x plus 1 we have to replace. So what will we get? 2x plus 1 the whole square minus 2. 2x plus 1 the whole square minus 2. Here we have to use the formula a plus b the whole square. What's the formula? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 square minus 2. Okay, clear students? A square 2x the whole square plus 2ab 2 into 2x into 1 plus b square 1 square. This minus 2 we have to write the same. So 2x the whole square means 4x square. Next 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1 4 only. 4x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 4x square plus 4x minus plus 1 minus 2 means minus 1. Have you all understand this? Here whether it is equal F composite G and G composite F, it is not equal. Before itself I have explained in the note. Generally F composite G is not equal to G composite F. Have you all understand this? Any doubt in here? Okay. Now I am going to explain exercise 1.5 first problem. Using the functions f and g given below, find f composite g and g composite f. Check whether f composite g is equal to g composite f. Okay. For their first problem you have to do as homework. Now I am going to explain the second problem. Okay. Here f of x is given. F of x is equal to 2 by x. Next g of x is equal to 2x square minus 1. What we have to find out? F composite g and g composite f. Before problem, example problem I have explained now. The same method we have to use. First f composite g of x is equal to formula f composite g of x. F of g of x. F of g of x. Before problem I have explained now how we have to do this. Yeah, x in here g of x in place we have to replace 2x square minus 1. G of x value we have to replace. So f of it's equal to f of g of x is what? 2x square minus 1. Okay, g of x is 2x square minus 1. Next, now listen carefully. F of x means 2 by x. F of x means what? 2 by x. F of 2x square minus 1 means in this x in place we have to replace 2x square minus 1. Okay. In this x in place we have to replace 2x square minus 1. So what will be get? Say that 2 by x in place 2x square minus 1. Clear? This is f composite g of x. This is f composite g of x. Take it equation 1. Now g composite f of x. Again they asked to find out g composite f of x. Is equal to what's the formula? G of f of x. G of f of x. It's equal to g of f of x in place. What we have to substitute? F of x value is what? 2 by x. F of x value is 2 by x. Okay. F of x value is 2 by x. So, now g of x means what there? 2x square minus 1. But we have to find out 2 by g by 2 by x. So, this x in place we have to replace 2 by x. Okay, x in place we have to replace 2 by x. So, what will we get it? 2 into g of x, carefully see, 2 into x square in place 2 by x the whole square minus 1. Okay, 2 into x square in place 2 by x the whole square minus 1. Now it's equal to 2 into 2 to 4 by x square minus 1. Okay, 2 into 4 by x square minus 1. It's equal to 2 into 4, 8. 8 by x square minus 1. Okay, this is equation 2. This 1 and 2, whether it is equal. Second question, check whether F composite G is equal to G composite F. Whether it is equal, not equal. From 1 and 2, F composite G not equal to G composite F. Have you all understand this? Any doubt? Okay. Then I am going to explain the fourth question. Okay. Fourth question. There also. What's the question? Check whether the given function. Check whether the functions f and g given below. Using the functions f and g given below, find f composite g and g composite f. Check whether f composite g is equal to g composite f. Their second problem already I have completed. Now I am going to explain the fourth problem. Third problem also homework. First and third problem homework. Now I am going to explain the fourth problem. Here given, what is given? F of x is equal to 3 plus x. Next, g of x is equal to x minus 4. Okay, this is g of x. First, we have to find out f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. F composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. First, what we have to do? G of x in place, want to substitute x minus 4 is equal to f of x minus 4. Okay. Now, what is f of x? Listen carefully. F of x means 3 plus x. F of x minus 4 means this x in place, what we have to substitute? Yeah, x minus 4. Okay, x in place we have to replace x minus 4. So what will be get? 3 plus x in place x minus 4. Okay, 3 plus x in place x minus 4. Now it's equal to x. Next 3 minus 4 means minus 1. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. This is equation 1. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now, the second G composite f of x want to find out. G composite f of x is equal to G composite f of x is equal to G of f of x. Okay? G of f of x. G of f of x is equal to G of f of x is equal to, first we have to write G of f of x in place 3 plus x. Okay, G of x, f of x in place 3 plus x. Okay, now what is G of x? X minus 4. This x in place, what we have to replace? X in place 3 plus x. G of 3 plus x means x in place you have to replace 3 plus x. Minus 4. Okay, 3 plus x minus 4. Okay, it's equal to x minus 1. X 3 minus 4 means 1. Minus 1. This is equation 2. Whether it is equal 1 and 2. Whether it is equal. Here it is equal. Before 2 problem that is not equal. Here in this problem it is equal. From 1 and 2. F composite G is equal to G composite F. Okay. Have you understand this? Any doubt? Then I am going to explain the fifth problem. Now I am going to explain the same first one, fifth problem. Listen. Here the question is, using the function f and g given below, find f composite g and g composite f. Check whether f composite g is equal to g composite f. We have to check whether it is equal or not equal. First we have to find out f composite g. F composite g of x is equal to, first given f of x is equal to 4x square minus 1. G of x is equal to 1 plus x. Okay. Now we have to find out f composite g of x is equal to f of g of x. F composite g of x is equal to f of g of x is equal to f of, what is g of x? 1 plus x. Next, what is f of x? Here f of 1 plus x you want to find out. First g of x value you have to substitute here. Next f of 1 plus x. F of x means what? 4x square minus 1. F of 1 plus x means x in place we have to replace 1 plus x. So 4 into x in place 1 plus x the whole square minus 1. Okay. 4 into 1 plus x the whole square minus 1. Clear? Now 4 into here x in here a plus b the whole square formula we have to use. Okay. For a plus b the whole square formula when we are using, what will we get it? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x plus x square. Okay, a plus b the whole square minus 1. Okay, here it's equal to 4 into 1 square means 1 plus 2 into 1 into x, 2x plus x square minus 1. Multiply 4 inside, 4 plus 8x plus 4x square minus 1. X square term first I am writing, 4x square. Next x term 8x. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3. Take it equation 1. Okay, it is equation 1. Next, we want to find out g composite f of x. G composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. G of, what's the value of f of x? Substitute here, 4x square minus 1. Next, what is g of x? 1 plus x. But here want to find out g of 4x square minus 1. So, what we have to do that? X in place 4x square minus 1. So, what will we get? 1 plus x in place 4x square minus 1. X in place 4x square minus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. It's equal to 4x square. This is equation 2. Whether it is equal? Whether it is equal? Not equal. From 1 and 2, f composite g not equal to g composite f. F composite g not equal to g composite f. Have you all understand this? Any doubt? Okay. Now I am explaining the third problem. If f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, given f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2. to show, here prove that, show that, like that they asked, to show F composite G is equal to G composite F is equal to X, like that we have to prove that. Okay, F composite G is equal to G composite F is equal to X, like that we have to prove that. How we can find out first F composite J? Yeah, F composite G of X is equal to F of G of X. Okay, F composite G of X is equal to F of G of X. It's equal to F of G of X value is X plus 1 by 2. Okay, G of X in place we have to substitute this X plus 1 by 2. Next, F of X means what? What is F of X? 2x minus 1. But we have to find out F of X plus 1 by 2. Here X in place what? We have to substitute X plus 1 by 2. So what will we get? Is equal to 2 into X plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 into X plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Whether we can cancel this? Yeah, we can cancel this. 1, 2 is 2. Here also 1, 2 is 2. It's equal to X plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 means 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So X. Take it equation 1. Next, G composite F of X want to find out. G of F of X. G composite F of X is equal to G of F of X. It's equal to G of F of X value is, substitute here, X plus 1 by 2. Okay, G of X plus 1 by 2. Now, see here, G of X. G of X, G composite F of X, G of F of X value substitute here. What is that? 2x minus 1. Now we have to see that G of X. What is G of X? X plus 1 by 2. Here X in place we have to replace 2x minus 1. So what will we get? X in place 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Next, plus 1 by 2. 2x, x in place 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1. Next, plus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So we are getting 2x by 2 is equal to x. This is equation 2. Clear? Here also x we got, here also x we got. What we have to show that F composite G is equal to G composite F is equal to x. From 1 and 2, F composite G is equal to G composite F is equal to x. Hence proved. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt now. How we want to find out F composite G, G composite F? How you understand this? Okay. Now I am going to give only 2 problems as homework. You have to complete the homework problem. Okay. Exercise 1.5. First one, 1 and 3 is homework. Exercise 1.5. First problem, using the function f and g given below, find f composite g and g composite f. Check whether f composite g is equal to g composite f. Their first and third problem is homework. Okay. Can you do this? Okay. Do this problem. Okay. Learn every day's portion thoroughly. Okay. Thank you, students.